In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily use trading bots on the platform BYDFi. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on BYDFi, you simply have to go down to the first link in the video description, then you will get to exactly this page right here. And as you can see, you get an exclusive welcome bonus with up to $8,100. I'm quickly going to show you how you can get those. Directly after the sign-up, you will get $20. Then after you've made your first deposit over $100, an additional $20. And then after you've made your first trade for at least $100. So these are the very easy to get bonuses in here, and then down here you get the big bonuses after reaching those certain deposit and volume trading milestones. To create your account, you simply enter your email address right here and set a password or use one of those options, and then you're ready to go. Once you have created an account and you log in for the first time, you will get to this page right here. And now I'm going to first show you how you can easily deposit money. First, how to deposit crypto. You simply go up here to your wallet symbol and click on deposit. Then on the left, we are going to choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. In my case, I'm going to deposit some USDT. Then for the network, you can select whichever one you want. In my case, I will choose the Tron network, but you can also use any other network. Just make sure that you're using the same network as the other wallet or exchange where you're sending the money from. Then down here, you will see your personal deposit address, which you can then copy to your clipboard and then simply send over the crypto here to your account. If you don't have any crypto yet, or you want to deposit with fiat money directly, there's also an option for that on here. You simply go up here to buy crypto and then click on buy crypto again. Then here on the right side, choose buy and choose the fiat currency you want to deposit. For example, euro, US dollars, British pound, whichever fiat currency you have. You can also search for one up here. In my case, I will choose the euro, and then in here type in how much you want to buy. Then you can also see how much you will receive approximately in USDT. Then I'm simply going to click down here, purchase using euro. And then I will get to this page where I can see those different payment providers and see what payment methods they offer. For example, Visa or MasterCard, a normal SEPA bank transfer, or also Apple and Google Pay. Then I'm simply going to click on one. I can also see how much I will get. I simply need to agree to the terms and click on proceed to transaction. And then I will be redirected to the third-party service where I need to enter my payment details and therefore confirm the purchase. Once you've made any deposit, you can easily check if the money has already arrived by simply going up here to your wallet symbol and then click on spot. And here you can see if any of your deposits have already arrived. All right, so once we have money in our account, we can now use the trading bots. And to get there, we simply click up here onto bots. Then we will get to this page right here. You can see there's already some pre-made spot grid bots that you can browse through right here, and you can go into them, see what they're built like, what a past performance was, and all of that. So that's a very simple method to get started right away by just copying another trading bot. But of course, you can also create your own bot. If you just go in here to trade now, you can also get into this more detailed interface where you can simply say, okay, I want to create a bot, a spot grid, and a manual trading bot where I want to set, for example, the lower price at $90,000 and the higher one at $100,000. And I want to have a maximum grid of 30. And then I can see right here how much profit I would make per grid. Choose how much money I want to spend on that. So if I put this, for example, to 10, you can also see this is lower. I can just click on max and create this trading bot right here. If I click on create, you will see I have it now available down here, and I can now wait for all of these orders to be executed, and then after a few times check back and see if I've made any profits. I can also, of course, go in here to details, see some more if any of these orders have been executed already. And if I want to get out of the spot at any time, I can just click on this icon right here, where I can just say stop and sell and return it back to the spot account. So therefore I can also exit out of this bot again at any time. And of course, at any time, if you want to use a pre-built bot so you can build one yourself, you can just go into AI as well. And you can see it's pre-configured by an AI where you can just see what values he's used, how many grids he's used, what will be your profit. And you can also try one of those bots if you want to do that. Don't forget to create an account on BYDFi by using the first link down from the video description to get up to $8,100 in bonuses. And if you have any other questions, always feel free to ask them in the comments.